We've begun a burnout. Oh! Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to the Petrolheadonism featuring the Tucked event at the Sharnbrook Hotel. I am at the exit, as always, to capture cars leaving and can hear a white chaser rolling out because everyone loves a white chaser. It's a great place to start the video. So let's see what we've got. Oh, here be coming. And in time honours Sharnbrook Hotel tradition, we have the amazing pizzas for lunch. RS6. Oh my god, there's a Murcielago on Swiss plates from out of nowhere. And today's sponsor is Law Timepieces, which you can check out for yourself following the link in the description below using ASM10 for 10% off your order. Well, one of the first cars leaving, not the van, is one of the best cars of the day. We have a very insane Mark II Austin Healey Sprite. Oh, love it. Who will be louder, the 5-cylinder turbo diesel or the 6-cylinder turbo petrol? Oh, come on. Look, they're watching. Oh. The Jetta is jetting off. This chap's not even part of the show. We've got a DBS Superleggera. There is a Seat pulling out as well. He is in absolute zen. Focus RS has been popping. Oh no, they're back. We've got camo green with the golden wheels. Calm and safe. The chap in the Land Rover 110 is winning at life. His dog is loving it, and he's picked up an engine. Oh. Maybe the engine's for the Land Rover. There sounds to be a rather loud R32 Golf revving upon leaving the show. Let's have a look, see if I'm right. Aha! Here it comes. The number plate explains all. Well, we heard this a mile off. The R32 is back. There's a spider on me. It's the wide body 107. Oh, cheeky Audi 80 with the 3 spokes. Looks like a Dodge Viper. We next have the Bayside Blue R34 GTT. Very large spoiler too. Oh, PS13's properly pushing some power. He's excited. He bailed out of that one. his sensible cap was on a bit loose. Next is an E36 Touring turbo diesel. Next we've got the Sunbeam. And the BMW M2 with a Hillman Imp. There we go, the matte turquoise Hillman Imp. I didn't know which one to film, I'm sorry, but there we go. There's another Imp for you. We've got the IS200 and the Ford Ranger preempting Thunder. Let's not hope he's right. Oh no. Right, he's begun a burnout. He's keeping it going. Off he pops to the shops. E46 is cruising by. Gold wheels on the blue R32. Not quite as loud as the last. There's the Fiesta ST with an old school Ford Escort XR3i convertible. We've got the Clio, which is pretty loud and a lot of camber on the rear too. Let's have a look. Oh, it's purple too. It's a nice colour. This BRZ's been sounding pretty nice throughout the day. Oh wow, he's back! Oh, Volvo Amazon, oh, the M4's coming down quite hot. We've got the E36 and Twingo combo. Oh, this Evo sounds quality. DC5, let's see what it's like down here. S15. Everyone loves a white chaser. 350Z is legal. I suppose at night time it might not be, but he's out without any kind of scalp. Oh, he's taken the covers off the rear lights for the brake lights, so he has legalised it. Oh! Scrapes. Oh no, they're going to go after him. Odds on that being for the 350. Oh no, no, it's not. They've gone a different way. We got the GT86 and the R32 behind him. Oh, he scrapes. You don't notice the camber in the road until you have a really low car. Oh yes, JZX90. The teal calipers with the chrome purple. I want some turbo noises from the Castrol Civic. I got what I was after. S2K. Now there are lots of 350Zs here today, and this is probably, well, this is one of the wildest, that's for sure. Oh, we've got a Toyota Mark II next. The viscous LSD, one of them working and one of them not. Oh wow, one of my favourites from the day, this insane R34. God!
Cold tyres?
Right, we've got a V8. It's not the E92 that's revving, it sounds like a Mustang. Oh, he's being told off, I think. We could hear an idle. This apparently has 1,000 brake horsepower. I doubt we'll see most of it being used today. Oh, here we go. Oh! Even with Quattro, he had to get into the middle of the road, just use a little bit of throttle. We've got the Fiesta with no door handles next. crowd behind us, so everyone is heading out now as a threesome, as a foursome, fivesome, sixsome. Oh, we got covered. Oh no, someone's fluttering his turbo in there. The CRV is actually a GTR. Launch, calling it. Oh! The send of the day? But I think most of the cars have left now. We've got the A3 behind me, but I think it's a pretty bare car park. So, hope you enjoyed the video. That was the cars leaving the Petrolheadonism with tucked car meets at the Sharnbrook Hotel. So follow me on Instagram for the weekly updates and highlights about these meets that I go to. But for now, thanks for watching.